everyone, welcome to Emily's Kitchen. Today I'm sharing with you a very famous dish in Malaysia and Indonesia, which is Ayam Rendang. Ayam Rendang, also called Chicken Rendang. There are a few different versions of Chicken Rendang that is available, but the one that I'm sharing with you today is the Malaysian nyonya style. Chicken Rendang is also one of the side dishes of nasi lemak. Nasi lemak! Yes, remember to subscribe to my channel Emily's Kitchen because I'm going to share with you the recipes of nasi lemak in the next episode. Chicken rendang is a type of curry, a mouth-watering chicken curry, and it is full of flavors, and today I'm going to use 16 ingredients to make our ayam rendang. First, we will need to remove the seeds of the dry chilies. I prefer to use these big red chilies because it is less spicy. If you prefer more spiciness in your ayam rendang, you can use the smaller version of dry chilies. Next, we are going to add all these dry chilies into a boiling water and let it soak and boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, we are going to blend the cumin, the fennel, and coriander. I will be using a mortar to blend it because from my past experience, it doesn't work very well using a blender. The tip of using this mortar is to grind all the ingredients in a circular motion. Make sure you grind them into a very fine powder. Another important ingredient of chicken rendang is curry seed. To make the curry seed, I will use the store-bought desiccated coconut, and I'm going to fry in a pan. When it turns golden brown, that means our curry seed is done. Here is the 5 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. Just keep stir-fry the desiccated coconut. When it turns brown like this, our curry seed is done. This is the galangal, if you don't know what is galangal. It is a type of ginger, but it has more of the sweetness flavor. Add a little bit of water so that it is easy to blend. We don't have to blend the lemongrass, just smash it so that the flavors can infuse into the chicken rendang. To cook chicken rendang, we need to use lots of oil. Add in the powder that we grind earlier. Lemongrass. Approximately 15 to 20 minutes, you can start smelling all the spices aroma, and you can see all the oil started to split from the spices, and we can now add in the chicken. Wow, it smells so good. Oh, wow. And I'm going to cover it and let it simmer, and we'll come back after 10 minutes. Now we can add the coconut milk and curry seed that we prepared earlier. Give another quick stir fry. Cover and let it simmer again. If it is too dry, you can add a little bit of water to prevent burning. Look at our beautiful chicken rendang. It is almost cooked, and we are going to add the palm sugar, a little bit of salt to taste. This is tamarind. I'm going to add a little bit of hot water and then just try to squeeze and add 1 tablespoon of tamarind water or 2 tablespoons if you prefer it to be a little bit more sour. Last, we are going to add the kaffir lime leaves. These kaffir lime leaves will give this chicken rendang a very special flavor. Finally, I can sit down and enjoy my chicken rendang. Well guys, I know it is a lot of work, but trust me, it's worth the time and energy. I can't wait to try it. Chicken rendang definitely best to come with rice. So good, so nice. It is full of flavors. Remember, we have used 16 ingredients to make this chicken rendang. This is definitely one of the most delicious and classical dish in Southeast Asia. It's a must try. I will see you next time, remember, with nasi lemak in the next episode. It has already become one of my signature dish. See you, bye bye.